Hello, hello, how are you? I am back again and today I want to do a quick unboxing. Clearly though, I've already opened one item, so I should probably put that away. Yeah, it's such a good deal. It's such a good deal. And I was like, shall I film or shall I not? And I was like, do you know what? I'm not wearing any eyeliner, but what's a little bit of eyeliner between friends? I'm just gonna jump online and tell you about it because it's so good. It's so good. So I've got the box here. It's incredible. It's a QVC Today's Special Value featuring L'Occitane, and it's just so much bang for your buck in this. You know, when you're like, damn, like there's some good stuff in here, and it's like, it's weighty. You know, when you're like, if you want a lot of product for not much money, this is the deal for you. So I just thought I'd share it, share the details, and yeah, if you want it, go buy it. If you don't want it, don't buy it, you know? Whatever you want. So if you bought all of these products individually, they would cost you £103. Fair enough. L'Occitane, gorgeous products. You know, that's what they cost. However, if you buy it today and tomorrow from QVC as part of the Today's Special Value, it will be £40.98. There is a little bit of P&P on there, but you can offset that by using my refer a friend code if you're new to QVC. That will get you £10 off, which makes it just phenomenally cheap. So I think it's an incredible deal and I just wanted to share it with you quickly. There's two scents to choose from. I have got the almond because I love the almond. It's so good. It's such a good scent. But if you want something a little bit more citrusy and uplifting, then you should go for, I think it's like Summer Verbena. It's like a citrusy kind of scent. So there's two to choose from. Click the link below, have a look, see what you prefer. But the products are the same, the scents vary. Anyway, I'm gonna quickly unbox it and show you what you got, but it's all worth £103. But literally for the next 2 days, including today, so it's gonna finish very soon, it is £40.98. And do not forget to use my refer a friend code because that will take extra money off. Anyway, where should we start? I think I'm going to start with the body scrub. This is the almond body scrub, absolutely gorgeous. It's a big full-size product. It's 200ml. There's a lot of body scrub. It smells so good. It leaves your skin so fresh and bright and lovely. And it's just a treat, you know, when you're like, it is an absolute treat. So that is the first product. I think this is worth about £20 alone. And then we have a body lotion because after you've scrubbed, you want to, you know, hydrate and give it a little bit of like shine and gloss and glow and feel pampered. So this is the body lotion. Again, it's the almond scent, absolutely gorgeous, kind of like nutty, skin-like, kind of sensual, kind of pretty, kind of gourmandy, just really lovely, unique and special. I love the almond scent. It is absolutely my favorite. So this is 240ml, so again, a nice big size. To be honest, you could actually couple these two up and give it to somebody as like a birthday present if you've got like a birthday party or something coming up, but this would make a nice little set as a gift. And then you could do what I would do and keep the other two items for yourself. But here we have the next item. This is 500ml. This is like literally a giant size of hand and body wash. You can use it in the shower as a body wash. You can use it at the side of your sink as a hand wash, whatever you want. I've used it as both and I never really know what I prefer it as. I love it as a shower gel. I love the fact that you've got the little dispenser. It means you don't waste as much, and it's gorgeous in the shower. It really does, makes your shower time better and it's really lovely. But at the same time, it's also lovely to just wash your hands throughout the day and have it by the side of the sink and just be like, that was a nice hand washing experience. So whatever you prefer, you know. But this is the next item. It is a 500ml. That's half a litre of hand wash or body wash, whatever you prefer. But it's amazing. You're gonna love it. It smells phenomenal. I'm gonna have another quick smell because it's like crack. Do you know what I mean? It's like, I don't do drugs. If I did, it would be like smelling like this because it's so good. Anyway, that is the next item. And then the final item, because the hand and body wash is so goddamn good, they've given us a refill. So literally you use this and then you refill it with the refill, which is incredible. I think these are generally around £26 each. So like literally these two items are worth more than the box itself. And then you of course get the body scrub and the lotion as well. Like it's a crazy deal. It's so good. That's the deal. That's the unboxing. I hope I've whizzed through it quick enough because I don't want to take up too much of your time. You're getting so much bang for your buck. Like these are going to last you literally months. you're gonna love using them. I just think it's lovely, and I think the price is incredible. If you are new to QVC, please do use my refer a friend code, because it will take quite a nice chunk of your order. And if you like the almond, go almond. But if you want something a little bit more citrus, go for the verbena, because that is also slice of heaven. It's all gorgeous. It's all L'Occitane. I love L'Occitane. They're just such a love brand of mine. But yeah, you could split it up and give some away as a gift, or you could just keep it all for yourself and just enjoy all summer long. But that's my video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go see if Mary's woken up, and I'm hopefully gonna get this video online pretty quick. Yeah, time is of the essence. The deal is up, and I want to share it with as many people as possible. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.